Now, the latest is the ombudsman has issued a suspension order against Mayor Go, and you are planning to challenge this. On what grounds do you believe could you argue in favor of the mayor?
You know, I always believe in the integrity of the Office of the Ombudsman, especially under the leadership of Ombudsman Martinez. So I believe that, remember, she was suspended without her side being, aired or being listened to. So I believe na if we will be able to explain our side, makikita yan na, mali, pwede ilip tong suspension kasi wala namang strong evidence of guilt. One of the requirements for a preventive suspension, if there is a strong evidence of guilt. Ano ba ang kaso niya? Nag-issue siya ng mayor's permit. Ano kaso doon? Compliant naman yung binigyan mo. Lahat naman ng mayor, trabaho nila mag-issue ng business permit kung compliant yung applicant. Otherwise, tatamaan ka ng ARTA tsaka yung ease of doing business. 3 days lang yun. Dapat mag-issue ka na ng permit.
Attorney David, let's talk about Zuni One technology because it's being described as an illegal POGO. Is it illegal? Because in the last hearing and even in my interview, Mayor Go said it had PAGCOR licenses.
Correct.
Zuni One and the other one.
Zuni One had a PAGCOR license. Kaya nga nag-issue siya ng mayor's permit. And I am submitting that to the Office of the Ombudsman to show the office that wala naman siyang choice kundi i-grant yung mayor's permit.
So what is the allegation na kulang daw ng permit?
Allegation is allegation. That's why we will rebut that. Ang allegation, Karen, di ebidensya yan Sabi lang yun So, paano kung ipakita namin na hindi totoo yung allegation?
Now, the grounds for the suspension is her alleged connection and ownership to the POGOs, correct?
No. The ground for suspension is her issuance of the mayor's permit to Zuni One.
Why would that be a ground if PAGCOR gave it a license?
Correct. Why would it be a ground? You are absolutely correct. That's why we would like to enlighten the office through a motion for reconsideration that in the interest of fairness, i-lift natin yung suspension kasi wala namang